Assalamualaikum viewers, my name is Sidra Iqbal. I'm 20 years old. I'm from Pakistan. I'm a student at high school in Kenya from Russia first grade. This is my another recipe. So we start. This TEDx talk by Sidra Iqbal is full of motivation and powerful lessons. She talks about something we all face, failure, and how it can be a turning point, not the end. Sidra shares personal experience to give advice on how to get back up when life has hand down. She believes that failure is not the opposite of success, but a part of it. Sidra explains that you must learn from your failure, accept them, and then reinvent yourself. This means changing your mindset, improving your skills, and coming back stronger. Sidra Iqbal is a well-known television journalist and a passionate development activist in Pakistan. She hosts the show Insight by Sidra Iqbal on PTV News. In her talk, she not only talks about her own changes but also ignores everyone to find their purpose in life. She highlighted that success is not just about money or fame. True success comes when you grow a person and help others along the way. Sidra believes that when we reflect, learn, and take action, we can achieve our goal matter how our life get. This talk is inspiring, especially for young people, students, and everyone going through time. Her message is clear: don't give up. Use your failure to grow. Reinvent yourself. Keep going. Thank you for watching.